So this is how the tortilla shells turned out from the last video. And I said she was going to be the taste tester, and I try to keep my promises, so here we go. Yeah, and she has already found her way to me, as you can tell. Ready? Can you say please? 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 Good girl. How's it taste? Was that a yes? Guys, she approves. You should approve too. Also subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. And don't miss a video because you're gonna regret it. You will be crying. Promise you. Oh geez, I got hair. I don't know if you can see it. But she approves. I approve, definitely. We both approve. I suggest you try this because you're missing out if you don't. Here's how it looks. It looks amazing. Delicious. Anyways, that's all for now. Hope you guys try it. If you do, comment how your opinion on it. If it didn't taste good, I will improve it. And I will post a video on it. But bye.